An abandoned, broken house. Dust everywhere, collapsing walls, and complete silence. No one could have imagined that this ruin would one day come back to life. But a team of skilled engineers made that impossible task a reality. The beginning was tough. First, they carefully inspected the entire house, deciding which walls needed to be demolished, where new structures should be built, and where reinforcement was necessary. The old, weak parts were gradually removed while ensuring the foundation remained intact. Then came the real transformation. With strong concrete, modern design, and precise planning, a new structure slowly began to take shape. The once broken rooms turned into bright, open, and modern spaces. Windows were placed strategically to allow natural light to flow in, bringing life into every corner. The interior design was also completely refreshed. Smooth walls, attractive colors, modern furniture, and elegant lighting. Every corner was designed not only to look beautiful but also to be comfortable and functional. What's most impressive is that the entire project was completed through perfect teamwork. The engineers' skills, planning, and hard work came together to create this incredible transformation. When the work was finally finished, there was no way to tell it was once an abandoned house. It is now a modern, beautiful, and comfortable living space that leaves anyone amazed. From destruction to creation, this story is not just about a house, but proof that with the right planning and expertise, even the impossible can become possible.